It would assume that there is another cloudy and dreary day
Jacksonville G455, 11 over.
here in Portland, Tennessee. So welcome back to the channel, everybody.
Channel 94, for job briefing.
We do have the I-141 coming to us. He'll be on his southbound journey through these 3 crossings in downtown Portland, Tennessee today. Thanks for coming aboard. It's been a while since I've been trackside, and due to some mainly mechanical issues with the old Ranger here, and having to wait on Uncle Sam to drop me a few bucks the first of the month, or sometime second week of the month, most of the time. And so we're running again, and not perfectly, of course, but we're here again. And so thanks for coming back, and we're going to let him get into town, and we'll be right back. Don't go away. Stick around to the end. CSX I-141. Well, another impressive string of empties on the I-141 this morning at 5 minutes till 11 a.m. And he's on his way to Jacksonville, Florida. So I hope you stuck around to the end. If you did and you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button. And we're going to sit here and see what else we got coming on today. Thanks for watching.